Hi guys, I hope you're all well and you've all had a great weekend. I know I certainly have. So as many of you know that I've been working on a Warhammer 40k chess set for the past sort of month or so. And yeah, finished it a few days ago really. And yeah, really pleased with how it looks.
And I was very fortunate to have all these miniatures sent in to me by a variety of game stores. And if you watch the final video where I make the actual board itself, you'll see that I name all the obviously all the lovely companies that sent me all the miniatures. But yeah, most of these were sent to me by one company in particular, and that's Chaos Cards. They've also sent me a whole bunch of other figures to do things like kill teams and other little dioramas with. So yeah, so that's who obviously I'm mentioning in this video is Chaos Cards, as I wanted to sort of showcase this somewhere. So I went down to Chaos Cards at the weekend. So I set off early Saturday morning, and as you can see, good old lovely UK weather. It was as foggy as anything, pretty miserable in fact. But again, it is only January, so this is kind of to be expected. So yeah, Chaos Cards, it's not exactly a local game store for me. It's just over 100 miles, so it's about a 2-hour journey, but definitely worth it. And as I got nearer to Folkestone, yeah, the fog went, the clouds went, and yeah, nice clear blue sky, which is pretty awesome. And as Folkestone is by the coast, I had a lovely old walk down the beach yeah, afterwards. So this was going to be the first time of me going into a game store, well, in quite some time. And in fact, the last time I went to a game store was back in the early 80s when I first started playing D&D. So it was so nice walking in there and being able to physically see all the variety of games you can get, all the obviously the miniatures you can get. There's obviously a variety of card games, and yeah, I must admit, I really did enjoy it because obviously there's so many things that I just don't know about. And obviously the best way to find these things out is to walk into a game store and just have a good old nose around, and that's definitely what I did here. And yeah, it was lovely to be in one. So I do need to find one a bit nearer me that I can go into, well, a bit more often. As well as going to Chaos Cards to drop off the chess set, I also went there to do, well, to have a little painting session, and just to show off obviously the good old slap chop technique that has, well, that has improved my painting no end and made it so much more enjoyable for me, well, to be painting. So I was there for a few hours painting, and what was really nice was I had a few sort of real young chaps pop in and take up some painting, which is really good to see. As yeah, I would have loved to have sort of done this thing when I was a lot younger, to have just been able to walk into a game store and yeah, have a go at painting, which is pretty awesome. There is a link in the description to their website, and currently if you use my discount code KILLTEAM, you get 5% off any order of miniatures over £30, which is pretty cool. But as you can see from the website, and obviously the previous footage you would have seen, they do a whole variety of games, as well as tons of card games as well. And I think this is where game shops have changed a whole lot since I last went. The game shop I used to go to was a very small one, probably about the size of your living room, so minute. Whereas Chaos Cards was absolutely huge. It's over 2 floors. And the great thing is you can go in there and you can sort of like hire out the tables to play your games. They have special games nights where you can pop down and basically it's like trying a game before you buy it. So you pay a couple of quid, you join in, you play the game, and if you like it, then obviously then you go on and buy your own sort of stuff. They also have a whole variety of contests and competitions. And while I was there, they had a Yu-Gi-Oh! The trading card game. They had one of those sort of competitions going on. And yeah, it's just a great place to sort of go, hang out, and just enjoy what you're doing. And say, we had a little painting session. Lots of fun. Usual kind of thing though, I probably did more chatting, more waffling, and I think I only painted about half the miniature, and I think I was there just under 3 hours. So yeah, 3 hours to get half a miniature painted, and I was doing the slap chop method. So as you can appreciate, I was doing a lot of chatting and a lot of waffling. So if you do live anywhere near the Folkestone area, yeah, I would certainly recommend going into Chaos Cards, and say having a good old look at the range of stuff they do, and say yeah, just joining in, playing a game, they do painting sessions every Monday, yeah, a whole variety of stuff, which is just really nice.
So yeah, I just want to say a big thank you again to Chaos Cards for all their help over the past sort of month or two. All the miniatures they've been sending me, as well as paints they've been sending me. So I could complete my Warhammer 40k chess set, something I've been wanting to make for quite some time now, well, a good couple of years really. So I've got another big project coming up. I'm going to be making the Blood Bowl Stadium. Most of them can be 3D printed, I would have thought. Might be some scratch bashing in there, not too sure yet. So I will be printing out the parts and I will be assembling and making a few Blood Bowl teams as well, which should be a lot of fun. So when I get that finished, I'll be taking that down to Chaos Cards sometime probably in the summer, I think. So I had a good old walk down the beach when I went there over the weekend, but yeah, it was a little bit cold, a little bit fresh, certainly blew away the cobwebs. So yes, I'm going to be going down again sometime in the summer. I'm happy to do another little painting session. I really enjoyed that because I've never painted with other people. I've only ever painted obviously on my own. So yeah, it's nice to sort of sit, chat and talk to other people about well, their enjoyment in the whole hobby of painting and all the rest of it. So yeah, guys, don't forget to check down the link down below to Chaos Cards. Discount code at the moment is Kill Team, and you get 5% off any order £30 or more on their miniatures. I will be doing a variety of sort of discount codes and promo codes and all kinds of other stuff coming up soon. So yeah, keep an eye on all that. But yeah, use the link down below. Okay, guys, well I'm going to go because I will start waffling. As we know, I do tend to do that when I sort of lose concentration or track of where it is I'm going. So yeah, I'm going to sign off now. So thanks for watching. Say big thank you to Chaos Cards and their lovely team that made me feel so welcome down there. It was nice to actually see the people face to face, because I've been messaging several of them via obviously emails. So yeah, to see them face to face was just really nice to put a face to the name. So yeah, guys, like, share, subscribe, eat cookies, whatever you want to do, all that fun stuff. Enjoy the hobby, enjoy painting, and keep on slap chopping, I guess. Okay, guys, you all take care. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.